Hello and welcome back dear subscriber. Today in this video I am going to solve Purvanchal University exam paper for 2019, and the question is write a program to take input 3 by 3 matrix and display the sum of square of each element of the matrix. So this is frequently coming question in the Purvanchal University exam. So please watch this video without skipping even 1 second, so you can understand each and everything. I will explain line by line so you can understand everything, and at the end of video if you have any doubts then please don't hesitate to post your doubts in the comment section. And also if you want solution for some of your programming question then please post your question in comment section. I will definitely provide solution for you. Okay guys, so before that let me tell you the basic of this, and then after I will go for implementation of this program. So here we have to go for 3 by 3 matrix. So take input of 3 by 3 matrix. So size of matrix is fixed, that is 3 by 3. So we have to take altogether 9 elements, and also this is 3 by 3. So this is like a square, right? This is like a square. So we have to declare 2 by means 2 by 2, sorry, two-dimensional matrix, two-dimensional array we have to declare for the matrix. So two-dimensional array of what size? 3 by 3 size we have to declare. Then after we have to take the input using two loops, and we have to proceed the remaining things. And after that, after taking the input, we have to do sum of each element, and while we are doing the sum of each element we have to square also every element. So let me give you the very basic through one example, and then after I will implement the programming. Okay guys, so like 3 by 3 matrix is 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3, 2 1 and 0, 2 3 1. So while we do sum of each matrix, means square of each matrix, as question we have to do 1 into 1. This is first element we will take 1 into 1 plus second element we will take 2 into 2 square, means we have to do all square. 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 plus 1 into 1, and finally we will do multiplication and addition and we will get the final solution. So I hope you got it what is the problem statement. Now let me go and implement this program. So already I have mentioned for matrix you have to implement if the matrix has 3 by 3 or 2 by 2. If the matrix is not like row matrix, then we have to declare 2 by 2, means sorry, two-dimensional matrix. So int a of how many element is there? Already element is fixed in the question, so we will go for that much element only. Okay, so this is the matrix we have declared, and we have to do sum. Okay, so sum is also we are doing s equal to initially 0, and we need also counter. 2 by 2 dimensional matrix need 2 counters, so I and j are our counters. Okay, so now do the reading part, reading of the element. Okay, so here we are writing enter the elements of matrix. Okay, elements of matrix. Okay, and those elements of matrix we are printing here. So this is just one output on the console. How to get that user input? You are right, using scanf percentile I or D. Okay, this is output and this is 2 by 2 matrix, so we have to write within loop. Okay, I equal to 0, I is less than 3. Already this is hard coding because the size is already fixed. Okay, I plus plus, and then after what we have to do, we have to do for j equal to 0, j is less than 3, j plus plus. If you don't know for loop and nested for loop, then please go and refer. Soon I will also provide a theory series on it, so you can understand everything very easily. And here I will write multiple lines, so I will give the braces. Okay, and here I will print like print of enter element. Which element? Percentile D, percentile D. So you know the matrix is denoted by ij, so I am going to write in that format only. So I am just assuming like 1 1, starting element is 1 1, not 0 0, 1 1. So based on that I am writing this. Okay, j plus 1. Okay, and then after this is just console output. Okay, and what next we have to do? What next? Next what we have to do? Next we have to scan, means we have to take the input. Okay, scan of percentile D number m% a of ij. So it will read first row element and then column element. Okay, so row 1 all element, then after row 2 all element, row 3 all element, like that it will read. So reading part has been done. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to do the sum of square of each element of the matrix. The sum of square of each element of the matrix we have to do. Okay, so now we are going to implement that part. Okay, so again we will write loop for I equal to 0, I is less than 3, I plus plus. Okay, for j equal to 0 0, j is less than 3, sorry, j is less than 3, j plus plus. Okay, and how element sum we are going to do? Yes, equal to the previous value plus a of I j into a of ij. So it will be a square, right? Okay. So this is done. Okay, and even we have to print matrix, so let me write that. Okay, so it will look better, otherwise the program will go longer. Okay, anyhow you have better to print. Okay, so I will just copy this and do required modification. If you are new, kindly don't do this type of things. Okay, this line I have to remove. Okay, sorry. So I have to print sub firstly after reading the matrix. Okay, so here I will just mention like print of line break. I will do, it will be better. The matrix is okay, so the matrix is okay for I equal to 0, this. Okay, so here I will write print of percentile D space I will print, so the element will be printed like with one space, otherwise it will be difficult to identify. Okay, and one statement is, so I need not to give their bracket. Okay, and I am going to write, after this it will go for print f and break up new line, so new row will be come. Okay, so here what I am doing, I am going through column number, row number 1, and it will print column 1, column 2 and column 3, and then after it will go to next line, and again it will go to row number 2, like row number 2. Actually in mathematically it will go to row number 2, but program wise it will go row number 1. Firstly it will print for row number 0, then after it will go for row number 1 and row number 2, and while it is going for row it will always go to new line. Okay, so this is done, and also this is done, our result is here. So let me also print the result. Okay, print of the sum of, let me copy it, it will be easier. The sum of a square of element of matrix, right? Square of the sum of a square of each elements of matrix, each elements of 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, 3 by 3 matrix is how much? Is percentile D. Okay, and here I will mention how much. Yes, so this is done about this programming. Okay, so let me run it and show you. Okay, so see now. Some mistake is there. Okay, let me, before semicolon, somewhere I have given semicolon, let me find it. Line number 13. Okay, line number 13, here I have to give semicolon. Got it. So why it is giving this much space? I have to run again and see. Yeah, let me run it. Okay, there is server issue. Okay, let me cut it and again reload this and do it. So actually I had opened this for long time. Okay, so kindly bear me a little bit. Okay, so I am going to select language. Okay, done. I will just paste. Okay, done. And now I am going to run. Okay, so you can see it is asking element of at position. Okay, a of ij also let me write, so it will look more professional. Okay, so sum of element of, okay, let me go off. So enter element of I of and j of. So now see, why it is showing, it should not show like that. Okay, there is some server issue. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, so I1 and J1, element at I1 and J1, 1, 2, okay, 3, okay, we will give like 5, 7, 9, or just give, let me give a small number, 2, 1, 3. So 9 element is done, and let me show you what we are getting here. So you can see our element is 1, 2, 3 in row number 1, 1, 2, 3, row number 2, 1, 7, 3, okay, and in row number 3 we have 2 1 3. Okay, so you can see a square and sum of 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 4, and 3 into 3 9. 9 4 1, 9 4 1 is 9 4 1 10 14. Okay, and this is 25 and 59, and this is 9. So 59 and 9, so it is going to be 58. 58 and 25 is 58 and 25. You just count it and do it, and same way this is. And when you do the sum of this number square, means sum of each element and square of each element and sum, then you will get this number. Okay, so this is all about this programming. Let me also execute and do the other part. Okay, like 88 2 0 8 9 4 7 3 and 8. So you can see also now the sum is this much. So this way you can write this program, and this is all about finding the sum of each elements of the matrix 3 by 3 matrix after squaring each element. So if you have still any doubt regarding this bit, then please don't forget to post your doubt in comment section. I will definitely pick your doubts and reply you back. And if you also like my content and video, then please kindly do share this video with other learner, and subscribe my channel and post your valuable comment in comment section, so I will come up with more video in coming days. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please stay tuned with our channel and stay safe. Happy learning.